Hey guys, good morning. This is Srini Daddy from Daddy Cryptos. Today is Tuesday, uh, December 26th. Uh, so let's quickly look at what's going on next 5-10 minutes at the cryptos. A lot of action overnight. Let me share my screen. Okay, give me a moment. So, so you guys know my page. This is I'm also sharing on Facebook. Daddy Cryptos. If you're new, click on this sign up button and get started. You can start at Coinbase. It will take you to Coinbase and go from there. My contact information. Okay. So let's look at some of the news from this morning. One. Uh, so the altcoins here, uh, they they have been on the decline. You can see all the reds. Altcoins are anything other than the top two or three, which is Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yeah. Rest all are considered altcoins. Okay, and I'll explain why in a moment. So the altcoins were all green yesterday. If you watched it closely, but today it's all red. One of the reasons for that is uh, one of the reasons for that is that Bitcoin has been going up. So all these altcoins are with respect to Bitcoin. If you can see clearly, uh, uh, and since Bitcoin is going up, altcoins will come down. Okay, so some of them have come down as low as 20%, 30%. There are a couple that are high, but these are relatively totally new coins, meaning it doesn't have as much information yet, so we don't know why they're going up. Okay, so uh, look, there is some good tweets out there. So I try to capture some of the tweets. There are multiple people calling for CNBC included that Bitcoin will touch 60,000. So you can see that in 2018, which I think is a possibility uh, with the way it's going up uh, and more and more funds coming in. It's a possibility. Okay, um, this is this is about this tweet is about Belarus becoming haven for Bitcoin. This is where all the mining takes place. Um, there's a lot of energy required to mine Bitcoin. So, in case somebody says, what is intrinsic value? It's just like gold mining. There is a lot of, for every Bitcoin, I think the expenses are close to like $3,000. Okay. So one more article, CNBC says that it'll go up. Uh, sorry about that. Uh, go through all these tweets at your convenience. I just wanted to show you some of them so you can browse through. You know my website, daddycryptos.com, my last name and daddy. Okay, so this is what's going on with Bitcoin. So last evening, if if you have been following my site, I've been talking about this bottom, which I said would be around this 13 between 13,500 and 14,000. So this is where it was, and this is a daily candle. So from 22nd, 23rd, 24th, and 25th, it was out here, and once it came down from 20,000 to about 35-40% till 13,000. It consolidated around this, and now this is beginning to go up, as you can see. Okay, so nice move since last night. So we'll look at the live prices, but uh, it's been doing really well this morning. So it's up by about 14-15%. Okay, so this was from earlier this morning. The top coins are doing good, meaning this is as of earlier this morning at 5:30. Bitcoin, like, you can see all the greens: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ripple, IOTA, EOS, Neo, and ETC, Ethereum Classic. But the ones that are not doing as well are I would call the 20 through 50 coins, which had a lot of hype in the last couple of days. So they have lost, like Digicoin, Digibyte, 13% down. Red coin was up 90% close to in the last 3 days. So it's down. These reds which you see from 13 to 30% are because they have gone up like 70 to 90% in the past few days. So they're correcting too. Civic, it went up all the way till $1, 5 cents or 10 cents, from 20 cents. So it's gone up like 5 times. So now it's come down 10%. So it's not like they've come extremely low. They're low because they were extremely high in the last couple of days. Okay, makes sense. Um, so let's look at what's going on with the live pricing. Uh, so I hope you guys can see my screen. Yeah. So live pricing wise, Bitcoin really doing well. It touched close to 16,000. It's 15,900. Okay, let me show you. I'm in 1 minute candle. Let me show you a little more. So this is an hour candle. So this will show you what Bitcoin was doing in the last few days. So it was hovering between 14,500 to 13,500. So it was in this $1,000 mark for the past Christmas Eve through yesterday evening. Okay, roughly around 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, it went up till 14.7 and came down. So till about 12 p.m. in the afternoon, this is Christmas Day afternoon yesterday, or 3 p.m., it was still around the 14,000. So basically, it was consolidating from the previous fall. Let me show you this. So as you know, Bitcoin was close to 20,000 here on December 17, and from 17 through 24, 1 week, it came down all the way till here, which is 13,200. So which is about 35% crash. There was a minor blip. It came down to 20, up to 10,500 because of that Bcash issue that started here. Okay, so there was some price issues with Bcash, with the way Coinbase launched it, that caused some panic selling. It was not warranted, but still, human psychology. I'm not sure why they sold it off, but basically, a lot of people ended up selling here. Then it rallied all the way till 16,000. Then again, there was a slight consolidation. And in the last 2 days, this was good to see that it consolidated really well around this 14.5. And then it zoomed up to 15 last night. And these are minor blips. And you can see this is the 12-day moving average, and this is 26. So now it was beginning to go up. And if I was to make a call on that, let's look at the daily candle. So so it was over the 12-day moving average, and and then the 24, it came down below the 24, and now it was around the 24. It touched the 12, and it looks really good for it to go up in the next few days. So I'm guessing in the next week, between now and through New Year's, it may touch or cross the all-time zones because it has a bullish pattern right now. Okay, this is just on the technicalities, and with the Wall Street and everyone else jumping in with a lot of funding coming in, it's doing really well. Okay, on this side, as you can see, Bitcoin is 11% up. Bitcoin Cash is 1% down. Ethereum just 1% up. So these are, I will call the number 2 through number 4 coins. This will be down because Bitcoin is going up. Basically, in the cryptos, if you're not aware, it's not easy to get in new money unless you're a new. Only the new account holders come in with new money, meaning the new fiat money, whether it's US dollars or Indian rupees or francs or whatever, pounds or sterling. But once you're in, it's very difficult to get more funding done because of all the regulations that are out there. So what I'm trying to convey is once Bitcoin goes up, they use, and you say you have Ethereum, they'll use this Ethereum to Bitcoin to move it. That's why Ethereum to Bitcoin is 10% down because this is 11% up. Same, if someone was holding Litecoin, they will quickly move to Bitcoin using this feature. And that's why Litecoin with respect to BTC is 10% down. This is with respect to US dollars. So this is the new money that's coming in. And this is the new money that's coming in. So everyone seems to be investing in Bitcoin right now. Is basically what this is showing us. Okay. So back to the pricing. It really looks good, as you can see. So this is the upward trajectory, and it has been up since morning. And as the gap is increasing, it is showing that it's going up and up. It will try to stay on this 12-day, and pretty soon, I'm sure today it seems like it is a good rally day for Bitcoin. Okay, so that's kind of where things are. I need to get going, and we'll catch up soon. Okay, thank you, and have a nice rest of your day. Okay, see you. Bye-bye.